Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we're going to show you how to change the ringtone on an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Also works on a Pro, also works on a non-Pro. So in this case, you want to go to the settings menu and you want to look for sound and haptics, which is this little speaker thing. And you have all kinds of choices, including ringtone. So I'll go through some of these in a second, but ringtone is pretty basic here. So you can just pick here. They have the classic ones, your old iPhone ones. Where's Strum? You guys remember that one? Yeah, so anyway, there you can set the ringtones. You can also choose from the alert tones too, and you can pick the alert tones. Text tone, new voicemail, so these are all the kind of like pings and swooshes and whatnot. You can pick anything for anything, basically. Even in here, you can pick a ringtone as your airdrop tone, for example. So it gets a little complicated. You can also do things like turn on and off the lock sound, turn on and off the keyboard click sound, system haptics, that's the kind of like twitch that the phone makes when you click on something. You can adjust the ringer volume and the alert volume here, and they also have it so that you can change it with the volume buttons here. So if you want to like still have it on but have it low, you have the ability to adjust that. So two other important options here. Vibrate on silent. That means that it doesn't ring when it's on silent, but it does vibrate. So, you know, if you're in a boardroom meeting, you probably want to turn that on. And also vibrate on ring. That one will make it vibrate while it's ringing. So if, I don't know, like it's in your pants pocket and it's kind of muffled and you couldn't hear it because it's noisy, you would feel it when it's vibrating because it's right against your skin. Probably a good idea to have that on too. Okay, so that's how to change the ringtone on an iPhone 13 Pro Max, 13 Pro, and also non-Pro iPhone 13, and actually the same on almost all iOS devices nowadays. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a hot off the presses iPhone 13 Pro Max dual physical SIM Hong Kong version, and today I'm going to show you how to insert and